I remember like the first time that I spoke was last year around Christmas time. And I started my journey with you, I think, first week of January 2024. It's been almost like 10 months fully invested into this. When I came to you, I remember how many complaints I had. I wasn't feeling I was myself anymore. It started with something and then it sounds something else. I remember I was making rounds to every different specialist, and everybody was trying to help in their own way, but they couldn't put me under one category, probably because my blood work, everything was showing normal, but the kind of complaints that I have, were kind of crazy. They tested me for rheumatology, and they diagnosed me and put me under fibromyalgia. The symptoms like hypersensitivity in my neck, in my hands, and the kind of weakness that I have in my hands and in my legs, the burning, I had vertigo, and then I was having bloating and the feverish symptoms. Whenever I used to go to them, they would say, you are slowly developing something else. Maybe I have to put one more medication on you. So that thing started piling up. And I have been in constant pain for such a long time that I forgot really how I used to feel and how energetic I was until I started it with you. So I started seeing the change around 2 months, and then I could yeah, it's working. I can clearly tell body started feeling light, and I learned how food would impact what is working for me. All the time I was thinking, what, I'm just doing everything right, but what is right was not working for me. That was not actually right for me. After 2 months, the first thing that I realized was with the neck. I couldn't sleep on certain pillows. When I have to go for I couldn't even take the massage. It was touch sensitive. So it really surprised me when I was able to sleep back on my pillow. It was really a super surprise for me, because there were where I couldn't rest it like this, or even put my neck for some time like this, it would cause pain. And that thing would actually numb my whole shoulder, and it would extend even to my hands. But now the touch sensitive is the first thing that disappeared, and I'm so happy. Even my doctor was surprised, because I went down on my medication less than half within 2 months. So that was a great change. So the second thing that was bothering me a lot and that got changed was the burning feeling in my hands and my legs. The quality of life that I had before meeting you and after has changed a lot. I'm really super happy with what I am eating, and it actually helped my husband and my son too. So even they have changed their food, and they have introduced certain things. So you're not just actually helping me, you're actually helping our family, I should say. I was not like this 10 months ago, and I'm really so thankful to you, Hema, because I'm getting back on my track. I almost forgot how I was earlier, because I was in constant pain and always on the medication. I have reduced my medication and it's working. I have absolutely no complaint. I used to wear my compression sleeves because I had sensitivity in my elbows and in my calf muscle. And I rarely wear my compression sleeves. The other thing is I used to have headaches, and at least 2 or 3 in a month. Even that number of headaches, migraines have reduced. And vertigo, it used to trigger a lot, but very rare. I don't feel feverish anymore. So anybody who wants to try, it takes some time, and you have to wait for it. It is not going to happen magically. Probably I screwed it up for such a long time, and I should not expect it to happen magically. Give it a time. That's what I would say. I think I feel at least 60% better. And in 9 months, if I can feel 60% better, and going forward, I'll be more than 100% better. So I can tell it's going forward, it's going to be only great.